Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel, and today I'm just going to be sharing with you some things that I've got for the holiday collection. This is the Christian Dior beauty set, and it's the holiday set for 2025. Just look at how beautiful the packaging is, and what I have done is that I have created this little strap here because I've got some back chains. So what I have done here is that I have put some back chains all together, and I just want to show you up close how this actually looks like. So, and it's actually really light, and I feel like for this holiday collection, this one is a big stunner. So I actually got like this $200 Singapore dollars set. So it's 200 Singapore dollars. It's out of stock online, but you can still get it from the boutique as well. So it comes in a cherry oil, and it comes in the #1 rosy glow pink. I really love this, and I've already started using it, and it comes in a black mascara as well. So I'll just show you how the bag looks inside. So this is what you can do. You can open it, and it's very spacious. It fits also an iPhone 14 Pro Max, so it can actually fit quite a bit, but you definitely need to kind of move it around. So I think if it's like a Pro, you can fit, but Pro Max definitely can as well. So yeah, this is what I got. It's very well received in Singapore. I see that there's a lot of people who has also managed to score this piece, and with this whole set you also get like a cute greeting card. So moving on, here are some pieces that I got from Chanel Beauty so far. I think what I really like are these beauty palettes, like especially like this one. This one's so cute. Just look at that. I really like this one. I think I got this in Daring Muse, and I'm able to create a lot of looks. I can create pretty much, I use these 3 colors right here, and I could create a look. I could mix this up with like a bit of blue and brown, green and brown as well. They look really nice together, and these are like more toppers, so I really like to use this palette. And I've also got myself some of this palette as well. Like this is like the eyeshadow one. It's from the holiday collection, and it's 397 Nuit Astral. This is beautiful. Like my husband said, okay, you look like a mermaid with this palette. But yeah, you could do like gold, like you could not gold, but you could do like purples, you could do like turquoise. This swatches a little bit more like a turquoise color, so it's very unique, I feel. And I mean, the reason why I got 2 is because they are actually quite different. So just to show you as well, this is the holiday 2024 collection in, like, I think this was last year actually. So you can notice that the difference, this cost $268. I believe this was like $178, like the left. And on the right, this is the current 2025 holiday collection. This is the 2024 one. So this is actually like a eye and face palette. I actually use this as a blusher, so I mix this up together, and I do like a nice eyeshadow look as well. So it's really a bit more of like a pink purple shade. I've been really loving colors on my eyes at the moment, I mean, as I get older. So I've managed to also just pick up Sycamore. I think Sycamore is something that I really like. It's a very nice woody green scent, like very woody. It just almost feels like you are going into like a nice forest area, and it's like really fresh. I have it on right now, and for I think it's unisex. It's really good for unisex because it's not like musky or anything. It's very woody, and not citrus, but really more of a woody kind of natural scent, which I'm able to layer with other things. So I've also got a 1957 yeah, perfume. I didn't want to get like the big one but I just decided to get like the smaller one, 75 ml, because I think the 200 ml one I definitely cannot finish. So this is like half the price, but of course you get lesser. It's just that I really cannot justify why I need to get like a 200 ml perfume. But yes, this is also a really nice perfume. It's a bit musky, and it's a bit like perhaps like a mix of Chanel number 5, well, Mademoiselle, Chanel Mademoiselle and Comet together. So yeah, I highly recommend you to check out this fragrance in the boutique if you can. So yeah, so this is just an impromptu session of me sharing with you what I've got so far during the holiday season. I've just decided to film something that's just super impromptu, something that, something, something really impromptu, because I am going to be popping really soon. I'm popping my kid like literally in 2-3 weeks time. So yeah, just trying my best to film as much as possible and whatever works, right? At the end of the day. So I will see you in my next one, and hope everybody is doing well, stay safe, and happy holidays. Bye.
Our fingers touching